In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on PlayStation 4 without controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the main options that you have to power on your PlayStation 4 console and get it to work without using your controller. So, in this video, I'm going to cover the power up process. Keep in mind that even though you might be able to power it on, you will still not be able to navigate through all of the menus without a controller. At one point, you might have to use the controller, so keep that in mind. So you have two main ways to power it on. The first one is by using the physical power button on the console itself. So for this model, it is going to be right here. You will see this little icon. It's very tiny, and upon pressing and holding this button, you will see the LED flash blue. You might hear a beep indicating that it is now powering on. So you just let this process finish, and as long as you are using the proper port on your TV or monitor, you will see it power on. And if you have a different model, it is going to be available over here at the top. So just press and hold the physical power button. Another way that you can do this is by inserting a disc. So with your PlayStation 4 fully powered off, as soon as you insert a disc, it is once again going to give you the beep and it is going to power itself on. So just grab a spare disc, plug it, put it in, and immediately upon being recognized, the game will power on the PlayStation 4 for you. So it is another option that you have. But like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, even if you are able to power it on, you might be asked to press the PlayStation button to actually sign into your PlayStation profile. And for this step, there is no workaround. So even though you might be able to power on the console, you will still need a controller to navigate through all of the menus. You can use keyboard and mouse in some games, but in general, you will need a controller to have access to basically all of the features. Keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 4 without controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.